on to reviews, and today we're unboxing Daily Goodie Box. Daily Goodie Box is a monthly free box, entirely free. You pay $0 for Daily Goodie Box. Isn't that awesome? Do you know why? Because all you have to do after you get one is fill out some surveys about the products you received. In Daily Goodie Boxes, there's a lot of organic, all-natural products. I'm going to link to each of the products below. I'm going to link to Daily Goodie Box. I'm going to link to you my page on my blog where how I find my reviewer page. Like if you're interested in trying to become a reviewer, I have all the companies that I think are great to start working with. I always link to that in these videos because I think overall that's the feeling I get after I make these. It's like, hey, so you do not have to be a reviewer though. Like you can just try to get these. They send them out. They pick at random based on your profile because you'll fill out a little profile, and they'll match you with products that make sense for you. Like they're not going to send you baby food if you don't have babies, just for instance. You know what I'm saying? All right, so let's get in here. Oh, it's kind of hot, right? Like, oh, it's getting muggy. It's been raining here in Pennsylvania for like ever. All right, you got a goodie box. Please enjoy all of the free samples and full-size products included inside. Remember to log into your account and share your thoughts on everything included in this box. Thank you. Open it up, and there we go. So, first is Good Natured Baked Vegetable Crisps. These are ranch flavored. So there's that. They always have like good all natural products. I like that. Next we have Liquid Ice energy drink. This is a high performance. I'm not big into energy drinks, but I always pass these on to my brother who is. This has a lot of caffeine, I think. High performance energy drink formulated for when you need extended energy, endurance, and concentration while preventing fatigue. Number one ingredient is water, sugar, citric acid, taurine, like the same stuff they put in Red Bull. All right. Then we've got DayClear 1-dose pain reliever. Huh. Relieves headache, backache, muscle aches, minor arthritis, and menstrual cramps. Hey, that's interesting. It's a liquid. Never heard of anything like that. I wonder what it tastes like. Then we've got, what is this? Ooh, so this is from Enfusia. It's a vegan bath bomb. It's hibiscus water. Wow, look, it comes in like tin foil. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Oh my goodness, they're sending out bath products. I just want to cry. I love it. All right. If you're not swayed yet, I don't know what would sway you. It's a bath bomb. This is a... Doesn't say how many ounces. I'd say about 1 or 2 ounces. Here's that Herbal Zap Digestive. We get these from them. They have 3 different kinds. There's one is like a hangover remedy. The other one's like immunity. And then this one's digestive. It's like an all-natural tea. It's Ayurvedic. So it's all natural. And then there's Ultima Replenisher sample pack. It's an electrolyte mix. I'm not going to open that. So you add this to your water, and then you've got your electrolyte. It's like Gatorade in a packet. Nice. 3-minute peel. Ooh, this is from Real Chemistry. Luminous 3-minute peel, and then there's a coupon code for them. Oh, I love their products. Okay, then we've got Bug Protector Mosquitoes. This is an all-natural. I have tried this before, and it works. It's awesome. And it's that time of the year. You know what I mean? And it's DEET-free. I get really worried about using a lot of chemicals on my kids. And myself, but particularly my kids. Because kids touch their face, and then they touch their mouth, and it gets in their body. And that makes me really uncomfortable. So knowing it's all natural and it works is a plus. Then our final item is Evo Hemp, a cashew cacao antioxidant bar. This is raw. It fights free radicals, so it's preventative for cancer. And I like the sound of cashew flavoring. Not flavoring, it's cashew. Cashew gives it flavor. You know what I'm saying? But I love cashews, so yummy. So that is everything that I received in my Daily Goodie Box. If you're interested in Daily Goodie Box, check them out below. Check out each of the companies if you're interested in them as well. If you're interested in my reviewer page, I'll link to that. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.